Okay, you guys, I did this wrong like 2 times, so I'm really hoping that it's not gonna be wrong this time. Okay, so first things first, yours might look a little bit different, like your Google Classroom, because every class was kind of at a different pace. Yours might look exactly the same. Just be aware that the assignment is named the same thing, even if it's underneath a different week. So today's gonna be paragraph 4. If you are not done with paragraphs 1, 2, and 3, and I have not looked at them, then you are not watching this video. You're going to exit out of it right now, and you're gonna do something else. You're gonna work on whatever it is that you're missing. Okay. Also, keep in mind the videos are to help you. Like some of you are watching the videos, but not really watching the videos. You ask me the question, and I say, "Did you watch the video?" And you say, "No." Why am I making this? I'm doing it so you can work independently. Okay. So, first thing you're gonna do, I want everybody to open up this little piece that says evidence suggestions. It's not an assignment, it's just an attachment. So, when you open it up, it looks like this. I want everyone to just have it open, just in case. Just have it open. And then I'd like everyone to open up paragraph 3. So you don't need the essay instructions, just paragraph 3. And you're going to open paragraph 4. So you should have 3 tabs, just like you see on my screen right here. Okay, tab 1, tab 2, tab 3. All right, go ahead and pause the video, open those up. All right, at this point, you should have all 3 tabs open. I'm going to want you to go to your paragraph 3 first. So hopefully everybody finished all of this. You're going to copy and paste all of the things. So you're going to copy your first paragraph. Remember, Control C for copy. You're going to paste it in here. Then you're going to go back, copy your second paragraph, and you're going to paste it in here. Now, the third paragraph. Don't press help like I did. The third paragraph, again, you're going to copy and paste. So you should have 3 paragraphs total. Look at you. How much have you written? Oh my goodness, you should be so proud. Now we're going to work on paragraph 4, which is your last body paragraph. So all we have to do after this is the conclusion paragraph, and that's super easy to write. So we're starting with your claim. What are you trying to prove? So you need to go back to your thesis statement, which should be highlighted here in yellow. All right, your thesis statement. I want you to copy and paste the entire thing, the whole thesis statement into this box down here. All right, so go ahead and pause your video. Make sure you're caught up to this point. All right, so you should have all 3 paragraphs. Just to review, all 3 paragraphs in the top box and bottom box. We're working on paragraph 4. Now, you should have already done your second reason. So for my thesis statement, it says parents should listen to the advice of their children because 1, parents can be stubborn, and 2, children care about their parents' health. So I've already done the second one, that children care about their parents' health. So I'm just going to delete it. And this is going to be my claim for my last paragraph. So everything you need to connect back to the claim. Oops, wrong thing. Oh, everything you need to connect back to the claim. Something I'm noticing with a lot of your paragraphs is you're writing things and you're explaining what the quotation means, but you're not connecting it back to your claim. So why does any of your quotating? Why does any of your quotations? Why do any of those connect back to your claim? How do they show that parents should listen to the advice of their children? So after you've gotten to this point and you have your one reason, go ahead and raise your hand so I can come and check it. Pause your video. All right, now our next step is to cite, clarify, cite, clarify. Now you've been doing the same process throughout all of your body paragraphs. So by the time you get to paragraph 4, it should be pretty easy. So we cite in green. And remember, always use the same sentence frame. And keep in mind that when you cite evidence, it should be word for word. Like you are copying it. You're not paraphrasing it. Paraphrasing is when you say it in your own words. But we're not doing that here. So according to page blank blank, this is where that reasoned evidence is going to come in handy. So parents can be stubborn. Look at all of these page numbers that I have to possibly work with. All right, so you're going to do the same thing with yours. So once you find your evidence, make sure it's connecting back to whatever your reason or claim is for this paragraph. And then you're going to clarify, so explain. This shows what? And then I'm going to add this sentence frame. You don't need to use it, but it's something I've been adding to a lot of people's papers just to help them with their analysis, with their clarifying part. Make sure that you're always explaining how does it show, connect back to your overall claim for your paper that parents should or should not listen to the advice of their children. All right, so I'm having 2 sentences in blue here. If you don't need 2 sentences, that's fine, but I'm thinking most people whose papers that I'm reading, they have 2 sentences there. and then you do another quotation, and then you're going to cite again and clarify again. All right, and use that second sentence frame if you need to. Right, so that is all you have to do for this paragraph. Hopefully by now you've gotten pretty used to the process of citing and clarifying the C's. So let me know if there's anything I can do to help. Raise your hand. Once you're done with this paragraph, please raise your hand so I can come and check it. If there's any other parts of your essay you want me to check, I can do that before tomorrow. All right, good luck, you guys. It's gonna be great.